In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Honkai Star Rail on Android device. First, open your Android device's Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you open up your Play Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Honkai Star Rail and perform your search. Browse through the list of search results and tap on this Honkai Star Rail application. Now, tap the install button to begin the download process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download and installation process, and once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see the play button. Tap on play to launch open the game. That is how you'll be able to download Honkai Star Rail on Android. You can now go ahead and log in or register for a HoYoverse account, and you'll be able to enjoy the game. How to sign up or register for Honkai Star Rail. If you want to get started with Honkai Star Rail game, then this video is for you. First, make sure that you download the Honkai Star Rail application on your smartphone. If you've not done that yet, open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for Honkai Star Rail and search. Once you find this application, tap on the install button or the download button, and once you download the app, tap the play button to launch it open. Now, start your application and then you'll end up in this login screen. To register or sign up for a Honkai Star Rail account, you must have a HoYoverse account. If you don't have it yet, you can tap on the register now link and follow the prompts. Here, create a new account for HoYoverse, enter an email address that you have an access to, and click on the send button right next to verification code. You'll then receive a verification code on your email address that you just typed in. Now wait for the verification code to be received on your provided email address. Once you receive it, click it open and then copy the code that you received. Enter it into the verification code text field or simply paste it in. Now, create a password on the next field. Make sure to use both upper and lowercase letters in your password. After you are done creating a password, confirm the password on the next field by retyping again. After you are done, tap on this little square at the bottom to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and tap register at the bottom. Now on the next page, agree to all of the terms of service and privacy policy by checking all of the boxes and tap on accept. You'll then be able to see this interface. You've been now logged into your account. Simply go ahead and tap on the box at the bottom right under start game and select your server and tap on confirm. Now tap on start game and it'll then start to download necessary resources for the game. Tap the confirm button and you'll be able to start playing the game. That is how you'll be able to sign up or register for Honkai Star Rail. How to change name on Honkai Star Rail. To change your name on Honkai Star Rail, first launch open your Honkai Star Rail application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, go and tap on the mobile phone icon at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Tap on the three dots right next to your name and in the expanded pop-up, tap on Trailblazer Profile. Now, you'll be able to see your character and your name. Tap the pencil icon right next to the name and then enter your preferred name in the text box you'd want to change to. After you are done typing in your name, tap on confirm, but remember that you will not be able to edit your name again after 72 hours of the last edit. To confirm the change, tap confirm and you'll be able to change your name. Tap on confirm one more time and that is how you should be able to change your name on Honkai Star Rail. How to change Honkai Star Rail account's password. So if you want to do that, simply follow the steps. First, make sure that you're inside the game. As you can see it on the display over here, I'm already logged into my account, and once you are here, tap on the mobile icon at the top left hand corner. Now this will open up your other options or your player's details. Now from the options, select Account Settings. Tap on the Go button right next to User Center. Then on the next page, you'll be able to see several options. Tap on the Change Password button in order to change your password for your account. To change your password, you'll need to go through a security verification. You'll need to verify your account via the following methods listed in the pop-up. First, go ahead and verify your email address. Tap on the Send button and wait for the verification code to be sent to you via your email inbox. But before that, first go ahead and complete this verification. After you are done, wait for the verification code to arrive on your inbox. Open up the same email's inbox that you've linked with the account and type in the verification code as soon as you receive it. After you are done entering it, tap Next. Now you'll get to enter the new password or set a new password for your account. Go ahead and enter the new password you'd want to change to. Now on the next field, confirm the new password by typing it again. After entering both of the fields, tap on Confirm and you have successfully changed your password for Honkai Star Rail. Now you'll be redirected to the main login page for Star Rail. Since you've changed your password, go ahead and log in again by following the instruction and you should be able to sign in back again. And that is how you should be able to change your Honkai Star Rail account's password in a few simple steps. How to link Honkai Star Rail account. If you want to link your Honkai Star Rail account to your Google account or any other accounts, then here's how you can do it. First, launch open Honkai Star Rail application and make sure that you're logged in. Now from this main interface, tap on the mobile phone icon at the top left-hand corner. Now you'll be able to see your profile. Tap on Account Settings. From the menu displayed, tap the Go button right next to User Center. Now, you'll be able to see the Link Account option. Simply tap the link and then enter the email address you'd want to link with Honkai Star Rail. Now, you'll need to enter the verification code, so tap the Send button and wait for the verification code to be received on your email address you're trying to link. Open up the email inbox that you are trying to link with and locate the security code and type it in the verification text box. After you are done entering the verification code, create a password on the next field. Confirm the password again by retyping it and then tap the little square box at the bottom to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, tap the link button. Once you are done, you'll be able to see the registration complete level. And there you have successfully linked Honkai Star Rail account with a new email. How to recover Honkai Star Rail account. If you're trying to log into your Honkai Star Rail account but you are not being able to do so since you've forgotten your password, then here's how you can easily recover your account. Whenever you log into your Hoyoverse account, you'll need to type in your email address and the password associated with Honkai Star Rail. If you're not being able to remember the password, simply tap on this Forgot Password link and then follow through the password reset process. Enter your username or your email address in the text box that is associated with your Hoyoverse account. After you do that, tap on the Next button and complete this CAPTCHA in order to continue. On the next page, go ahead and enter the verification code that is sent to the associated email. In order to receive your email, click on the Send button right next to the verification code. You'll now receive a verification code in your associated email. Go ahead and enter the code as soon as you receive it and tap the Next button at the bottom. You'll now need to enter the new password, type in the new password and retype in the password once again. Finally, tap the Confirm button at the bottom and you'll be able to successfully reset your password. While logging into your account, enter the new password and log in, and you should be able to recover your account for Honkai Star Rail. How to claim codes in Honkai Star Rail. If you are looking for a way to claim code on Honkai Star Rails, then this video is for you. The first thing to do is to launch open Honkai Star Rail application on your mobile device. Once you're inside, make sure that you're logged into your account as well. And from this main home page, go and tap on the mobile icon at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Tap on the three dots right next to your profile avatar at the top right, and then you'll be able to see two options. Select redemption code from the options, and then on the next page, enter your redemption code in the text box you'd like to claim. Enter it with the help of your keypad. After you are done entering the claim code, click on the confirm button and you have successfully redeemed or claimed your code on Honkai Star Rails. That is how you should be able to redeem your code successfully on Honkai Star Rails. How to take photo on Honkai Star Rail. If you want to take photo inside the game on Honkai Star Rail, then it's quite simple. Simply launch open your Honkai Star Rail application and then make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to take photos in Honkai Star Rail, you'll need to enter the photo mode. To do so, from the main home page, tap on the mobile icon at the top left hand corner. Now once you end up in this page, tap on the camera icon on the left hand side menu. This will then show you your camera. To adjust the camera angle, you can go ahead and move your fingers towards the screen and select the best angle you would like for the photo. You can zoom in or zoom out the photo by sliding the slider at the bottom right here. And once you find the perfect angle for your photo, tap on the camera button on the left hand side of the screen and there you have successfully taken a photo on Honkai Star Rail. You can also edit your photo by tapping on edit and then select the filters from the left hand side menu that you'd like to apply for the picture. After you are done editing your picture, tap on save. You'll also need to allow permission to access your album, tap on confirm and then tap on allow in the pop-up. Now you can find your photo in the installation directory /game/Star Rails data screenshot folder on your PC, or if you're using mobile device, you'll find it in your device's gallery. How to enter codes on Honkai Star Rail. In order to do so, follow the steps. Open up your Honkai Star Rail game and make sure that you're logged into your Hoyoverse account. Start the game like you normally do, and after the game starts, tap on the mobile icon at the top left hand corner. Now, in the pop-up, tap the three dots right next to the character's name and then click on redemption code. Enter the redemption code in the text box that is available to you. After entering the redemption code, click on confirm and you have successfully entered and claimed your code on Honkai Star Rail. That is how you can easily enter codes on Honkai Star Rail. How to log out of your Honkai Star Rail account. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. If you're inside your game on Honkai Star Rail and you'd like to log out of it and land in the main login page, then the process is quite simple. Simply go ahead and tap on the mobile phone icon at the top left hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Now tap on the power button at the bottom right hand corner and click on confirm in the pop-up and you'll be redirected to the main login page for Honkai Star Rail. That is how you should be able to log out of Honkai Star Rail account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.